Did you know that trying to sell your microgreens to everyone can actually hurt your microgreen business? Well, here's the truth. Focusing on the right niche can take you from struggling to thriving. And today I'm going to show you just why we find the area of your niche is just the nice ideal. It's the foundation of your success. Make sure you stick around because at the end of this video, I will share some details about our upcoming workshop where we'll guide you step by step on how to find your perfect microgreen niche. So let's dive in. When we started our microgreen business, we made the classic mistake of trying to sell to everyone who would listen. Chefs, farmers markets, grocery stores, home deliveries, all of them in between, everything. I was thinking to myself, sell to everyone, we can grow faster. But the reality of that was way different. I found ourselves being stretched way too thin, trying to meet needs of too many types of clients. And you know what that led to? Missing opportunities, wasting money, and a business that just felt like it was running in circles. Then we discovered the power of narrowing that focus down into the ideal niche that we wanted to go for. It just didn't save our business, it made it profitable. That's the kind of transformation I want to help you make and achieve in your business in 2025. So why does this finding your niche matter so much? Let's break it down. So number one, clarity, knowing exactly who you're selling to means you can focus on the time and resources in the right customer instead of spreading yourself so thin and go deeper, not wider. You don't want to spread yourself too thin. Like if you're trying to do 24, 28-day grows versus 10-day grows, it's a whole different thing. It's a different ball game. So you want to narrow it down. Price difference, value of microgreens differently. For this example, high-end restaurants might want to pay top dollar for premium garnishes, while grocery stores are going to focus on consistent pricing and larger volumes. Identifying their niche helps you price smarter. So if you can price it smarter, you know what you're doing, so much better. Marketing, this is huge. When you're marketing, you understand your niche, the message speaks directly to them, builds the trust, and the trust to make it so much easier to close that sale, that's what we're trying to do, close that sale. So think about this. A fine dining restaurant might be searching for colorful, delicate garnishes, while a juice bar may need bulk quality of wheatgrass. These are completely different needs, so trying to cater to both of them without focus will lead to missed opportunities. So if you're wondering how to figure out your niche, here's 3 practical steps to get you started. All right, 1, assess your market. Take a look at your local area. Who's already buying the microgreens? Are there a lot of restaurants, farmers markets, meal delivery services even, that give you a great starting point of where to start? So do your research. 2, matching your skills. Think about your strengths. What are your strengths? What are your great growing at? Unique flavors, colorful varieties. Chefs might be your ideal niche. If you enjoy high volume productions like broccoli, cabbage, stuff like that, then you're probably going to want to go after grocery stores. Could be the perfect fit. Test and validate before you commit to any niche. Small scale tests sells a few different types of customers. Pay attention to who most responsive and who aligns best with your goals. Use this information to refine your focus. So finding your niche isn't just as important as it's essential. It can save you time, money, and help you avoid costly mistakes to set your business up for faster growth. And that's what we want. Faster growth equals profit, money, all that. If you're ready to take the guesswork out of this process, I've got great news. We are hosting a workshop where we'll dive deep into this on how to identify your niche, how to do your market research, how to create a step-by-step tailored plan to your goals. Our next workshop is happening on January 15th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I would love to have you over there and join us. You can find the link below and sign up descriptions below as well. So don't wait, the spots will fill up fast. We have limited spots, so make sure you get in. All right, your niche is out there waiting for you. By narrowing your focus and building a strong customer relationship, simplifying your operations, you'll see your business thrive. So take that first step today, join our workshop, and let's find your niche together. I'll see you there.